Welcome to Bike Zone, your ultimate destination for all things motorcycles. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Honda Furry Chopper. This bike has been making waves in the biking community, and we're here to break down what makes it stand out from the crowd. Let's take a closer look at the design, performance, and features that make the 2025 Honda Furry Chopper a game changer. Design and aesthetics. When it comes to the 2025 Honda Furry Chopper, the first thing that grabs your attention is its bold, unique design. Honda has truly outdone itself with this one, blending futuristic style with classic chopper elements. The frame boasts an angular and aggressive look, featuring sharp lines and a low-slung profile that screams power and precision. The motorcycle comes in a range of eye-catching color schemes, but it's the detailing that really sets it apart. The custom bodywork is built for both form and function, using lightweight but durable materials, giving it an almost sleek aerodynamic appearance without sacrificing the signature chopper aesthetic. The exaggerated fork angles and elongated handlebars make the bike look mean, ready to take on anything the road throws at it. Mean change in performance. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 Honda Furry Chopper is powered by a state-of-the-art 1,800cc V-twin engine. This powerhouse of an engine promises smooth acceleration with a noticeable punch of torque. Whether you're cruising down the highway or carving through city streets, the Furry Chopper delivers an exhilarating ride. Honda has incorporated advanced fuel injection technology, optimizing the engine's fuel efficiency and performance. Paired with a lightweight frame, the engine ensures that the Furry Chopper isn't just about looks, it's about raw, unrelenting power. You'll also find that it's tuned for better low-end torque, which makes city riding a breeze and highway cruising a thrilling experience. Honda has loaded the 2025 Furry Chopper with cutting-edge technology, making it a modern marvel with the soul of a classic machine. The bike is equipped with a full-color TFT display, providing riders with all the crucial information they need at a glance, from speed and RPM to fuel levels and trip information. This is paired with smart connectivity features, including Bluetooth, so you can easily sync your smartphone for navigation or media control. One of the most notable features is the Honda Safety Suite, which includes a suite of rider aids like traction control, cornering ABS, and a quick shifter system that makes gear changes buttery smooth. These innovations not only improve the overall riding experience but also enhance safety, making the 2025 Honda Furry Chopper perfect for both seasoned riders and newcomers alike. Suspension and handling. The 2025 Furry Chopper isn't just built to look cool, it's engineered for exceptional handling. Honda has equipped the bike with a fully adjustable suspension system, making it suitable for various riding styles. Whether you're hitting rough terrains or just enjoying a smooth, winding road, the suspension adapts to ensure the perfect balance between comfort and performance. The custom front and rear suspension offer a plush ride while still maintaining the rigidity needed for sharp cornering and stability at high speeds. The chopper's long frame and low seat position contribute to better weight distribution, making it feel stable during aggressive maneuvers. Coupled with its oversized wheels, it delivers a smooth, controlled ride that's sure to impress even the most experienced riders. While the 2025 Honda Furry Chopper is all about performance, Honda hasn't forgotten about rider comfort. The seat is ergonomically designed to provide long-distance comfort without compromising the bike's sleek profile. Whether you're going on a short ride or embarking on a cross-country trip, the Furry Chopper ensures that you'll stay comfortable for hours on end. The handlebar positioning allows for a natural riding posture, ensuring that long rides don't strain your arms or shoulders. The foot pegs are positioned optimally to reduce fatigue, and the controls are designed to be intuitive, making the bike not only easy to ride, but also a pleasure. The 2025 Honda Furry Chopper is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. A perfect blend of cutting-edge technology, raw power, and iconic chopper design, this bike is ready to dominate the road. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking for your next adventure or a newcomer drawn to its jaw-dropping aesthetics, the Furry Chopper offers an experience that's truly one of a kind. Thanks for watching this breakdown of the 2025 Honda Furry Chopper. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Zone for more in-depth reviews and the latest in the world of motorcycles. Keep the throttle open and the rubber side down.